Okay, so let's solve this 2022 paper 2 question under matrices. So they're saying, given that the determinant of matrix Q is 15, right?
Yes.
Find the value of what? Find the value of B, 2 marks. Okay, so solution here. So we're going to say, okay, so so it's question 1A. So you're finding the value, so it's question 1A1, and we are asked to find the value of B. Okay, so first let's write the matrix, which is Q, and then here the first number is given by an expression as 2b minus a minus 1, then this side 4, here negative 3b, then this other side negative what? 5, like this. And then dit Q is what? 15. So where you're supposed to write determinant, you're going to write what? 15 is equals to, okay, we cross multiply. What we are multiplying, what I mean by cross multiplying, we multiply this is the major diagonal and this is the minor what? Minor diagonal. Okay, so it will be negative 5. So just write a number which is single.
Yes.
Okay, or a singular variable or a number, then multiply it by this 2b minus 1. Okay, then minus, this is the actual minus where you're supposed to subtract. Yes. You subtract as the rule of what? For finding determinants of a 2 by 2 matrix, that you find the difference of the products in the major diagonal and minor diagonal. So here it will be 4 times negative what? 3b, like this, okay? So we have 15 here. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, what? B. Negative times negative. So minus times minus, keep positive. Keep plus,
Keep plus.
Okay? 5v positive 5. Then here, listen. This will be 4 times this will be negative, so we have minus, then it will be negative 12 what? B.
Yes.
Then this will be positive.
Yes.
So let me just write like this: negative 10b plus 5 plus 12b. Now we can collect the like terms,
Yes.
Okay. Let's take the 5 to the side. It will be 15 minus, since it's positive, it becomes minus what?
5.
Minus 5 is equals to negative 10b. Am I right?
Yes.
Plus 12b. So 15 minus 5 is what? 10 is equals to, what is 10 plus 12?
2.
Negative 10 plus 12. Positive 2 what? 2b. Why it is positive, guys? Negative 10 plus 12 here, we have negative positive,
Yes.
so we subtract and then get the sign from the bigger number. So what do you do here? You divide by 2. Therefore the value of B is 5. 2 into 10 is what? Is 5. Okay, that is the answer to the first question. Now the second question, we are asked to find what? Inverse,
Yes.
Inverse of matrix C, inverse of matrix Q. So what we are going to do, since this is number 2, first we need to know, since matrix Q here is not complete, it has the value of what? B. We need to replace the value of B, which is 5, and find the matrix Q. Then from there we find the adjoint, then we find the what? The inverse, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to say matrix Q is equals to, so 2, where there is B, we multiply, we substitute with what? 5, then minus what? Minus 1, like this. Then the other number is what? Is 4. Then here is what? Negative 3. Then b is 5. Then what is the value, or what is the other number? Negative 5. Like this. So it will be like this. So like this. So q is equals to, what is 2 times 5? 10 minus 1? 9. So do it, just to do it on the calculator. Don't worry, this is paper 2. 4. This negative 3 times 5 is negative 50. Then this is, will remain the way it is, as negative 5. Huh? Okay. So the adjoint matrix of matrix Q, remember, this is the major diagonal. 9 and 5 are in the major what? Major diagonal. So what you do, we just change, we don't change the signs, but the position. So the negative 5 will be here, and the 9 will be where 5 was. Okay? Then in the minor diagonal, they change the signs,
Yes.
and this will be, since it's positive, it will be negative
4.
This is negative, it will be positive 15. 1, 5. Like this,
Yes.
So this is the adjoint what? Matrix. So to find the inverse, therefore, inverse of matrix Q is Q to the power negative 1. So Q to the power negative 1, it means inverse. So sometimes here they may not say find the inverse of Q, they just say find Q to the power negative 1 is same as find what? The inverse. Very good. So here it will be, 1 over the determinant, and the determinant we've calculated as what? What is the value of the determinant? Oh, we haven't calculated, we have been given
Yes.
the determinant as 15. So it will be 1 over what?
15.
1 over 15 multiplied by this adjoint what? Matrix, which is negative 5, negative 4, 15, 9.
Yes.
Okay? 15, 9. We expand,
Yes.
Okay? When you multiply 1 times negative 5, it will be negative 5 over 15. 1 times negative 4, it will be negative 4 over 15. 1 times 15, it will be 15 over 15,
Yes.
1 times 9, it will be 9 over 15,
Yes.
Like this. Then you reduce,
Yes.
5. So if you don't know what to do this, just punch everything, just punch on the calculator, negative 5 over 15. It should give you negative 1 over 3. Then here we don't have anything that can go in both numbers,
Yes.
Okay, so just leave it the way it is. Then 15 into 15. Then 3, we have 4. Since if you don't know what goes in 9 and 15, just punch 9 over 15, then it will reduce, and it will give you 3 can go into 9 and into 15. 3 into 9, 3 times, into 15, how many times? 5 times. So therefore, this is the final what? The final answer, the inverse of matrix Q.